A surprising twist at the Tori Stafford murder case today.
Terri Lynne McClintic was confronted with inconsistencies in her testimony regarding the key question of whether or not she killed 8-year-old Tori.
This, of course, is just the latest emotional development in the trial of McClintic's ex-boyfriend, Michael Rafferty.
Laura Zilke has been covering the story for us. She joins us live tonight from London. Good evening, Laura.
Good evening. Yes, much of the morning here was spent listening to legal arguments without the presence of the jury, which means all of that is subject to a publication ban. By this afternoon, however, Terri Lynne McClintic, as you said, was back on the stand, going over once again detail after detail of how little Tori Stafford was killed. These are the facts. She was bludgeoned with a hammer, she was wrapped in garbage bags and left in a rock pile. What is in dispute? Who wielded the hammer and who kicked little Tori Stafford before she died? That is a question now being asked over and over by the Crown Attorney. Time and time again on the stand, key witness, the woman in the back of this van, Terri Lynne McClintic, says it was her.
Myself, my girlfriend, my family, Tara's family, Darren, nobody can turn the channel from this like everybody else can. This is our lives, this is reality for us. We can't just turn the channel, we can't just turn the paper, not buy the paper. We have to live through this.
McClintic was shown several statements she gave police May 24, 2009. In that video, she implicates accused Michael Rafferty as the one who kicked Tori, then put garbage bags over the child's head, then beat her with a hammer. In the 2009 interview, through tears, she gave sharp, horrifying details and claimed he really knew what he was doing. By end of day, Justice Heaney charged the jury that there is proof of obvious contradictions in what McClintic has said then and now. She now claims that it was she who committed the murder. Why did she tell police that Rafferty did it? Because I could not accept I was capable of committing something so heinous. He was the one who wanted to kidnap a child. He was the one who raped that child. He could be the monster that killed her as well. I'm not someone who targets children. I don't understand what happened that day. What happened? Tori Stafford was killed and left alone in a rock pile. The focus for the jury now is to figure out whether or not they believe Terri Lynne McClintic is a credible witness. Is she lying on the stand, or was she lying in that previous testimony? Now, you'll remember earlier this week, McClintic testified that she promised Michael Rafferty that she would take the fall for everything. She says she told Rafferty that she was just an 18-year-old junkie and had nothing to lose.